Hello everybody, I have a pretty special unboxing today. I have my first tire panel. I think that's pretty cool to show. It came in a Honeywell NPF box, which is funny because, yeah, it's funny. I've already cut the tape. I haven't opened it yet, but so let's see. Oh wait. There it is. It is a FireShield FX5. Oh hell. There's the keys. Let's go. They gave me keys. Thank God. I was nervous for a second, so I don't have keys. I'm gonna set you guys down so I can get this out. Here it is. This is it. It's the FireShield FX5 made by EST. Let's get this thingy open. So yeah, here's the inside. All the buttons, disable buttons. This is so cool. I'm so excited because this is my first fire panel. Can I just... It's so cool. It's dusty and dirty, but whatever. Here's this if anybody wants to pause it. Here. This stuff. Whatever. Yeah, it came from Texas. If you see that. And it came from Building 9 or wherever it's from. So, like, here. Reset, walk test, that, a bunch of disables. It's a 5-zone panel, but NAC 1 does not work. Or not NAC 1, Zone 1 does not work. Which kind of sucks, but you know, whatever. There is a crusty resistor down here. Sorry about the noises, my cat and dog are fighting. Quit! Yeah, this is my new panel. I'll post another video, or I could edit into this video, I don't know yet, but of it wired up and working and everything, so yeah.